Hey, I'm Paul, Rack Attack, and this is the Dometic Compact Camp Table. This is part of Dometic's Go series. This table offers a very resilient surface, a very sturdy structure, and it folds in half to make it easy to load and unload from your vehicle. It has an integrated handle to make it easy to carry. It weighs in at only about 20 pounds. Now let's go ahead and set the table up, and to do that, we'll just unlatch the stainless steel latches. There's two. And then unfold the table and just rest it down on my toes to protect the edges. Now I'll go ahead and engage these other latches. Now we have the tubular aluminum brushed legs. We'll go ahead and extend those out and lock them in place. Now this is a multi-height table. So at this leg height, this is considered coffee table height. And that measures in right at 18 3/4 inches. Now we can go ahead and pull the leg out. It'll automatically engage into the next height, and that's 22.5 inches, and that's considered kid-friendly height. Now let's go ahead and press in the detent button and extend it out to the total maximum height, and then that is 27.5 inches. That's considered prep table height or adult height. Okay, let's do the same thing on the other legs. Extend that out, press the button, extend it out, press the button, extend it out, and press the button. Now we can go ahead and bring it. Okay, now with the table set up, let's talk more about the surface area. This is multi-ply solid bamboo, and bamboo is a very hard surface. It's actually 25% harder than oak and 12% harder than maple. So it's very resistant to scratches and dings, so it's ideal for being used around a campsite and being loaded and unloaded from the inside of a vehicle. Now let's go ahead and take a measurement of the total surface area. So the width of the table is 39.25 inches, and the depth of the table is 25.5 inches. Okay, and let me have a seat right next to the table so you can see it in relation to a camp chair. So here I'll sit in a camp chair alongside the table, and you can get a feel for the positioning that I have at the table. Okay, now let's go ahead and stow the table. And to do that, we'll just go ahead and put it back on my toes, and I'll push in on the release handle there, lever, and press in on the detent button. Same thing on each leg, press in on those buttons. And then same thing here, I'll press in on that bracket first, that way I can more easily reach that detent button. Press in on the bracket, and then press in on the detent button. Now I'll go ahead and bring it, first release those two levers there, and now bring it to the stowed position, re-engage the two latches there, and now we're ready to load this back up in the vehicle and head on home. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Dometic Compact Camp Table. This product and the full line of Dometic Go products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments about this table in particular, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.